fucking it, man. Yo, what is up everyone? Garbage Gaming here, and I am showing you how to fix the free Jugg hits. Now the first step you want to do is go into your rolled up war files, go into raw, go into maps if I can find it, there it is. Now scroll down until you find zombie mode perks. Should be right. I might have passed it actually. Here. Zombie mode underscore perks. Copy that. Go into your mods. Go into your map name. Go into maps and paste it right here. Scroll down a little bit until you find zombie perk Juggernaut health. Change this to 285. You can go higher, but if you do that, the Juggernaut will be a little bit overpowered, so the map will be too easy, so I wouldn't really recommend it. And 285 I think is 5 hits. Okay, when you get done with that, save it. Go into bin, open up launcher, go to mod builder, select your map. Now make sure to check it and build a mod. Compile the level. Okay, exit out. Load up your world at war. Load up your map.
No power, weak. I'm always in a Juggernaut. Kaboom. See you, maggot bags.
It works. That's how you fix the free hits. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see everyone all later.